One of the reasons I really love being in nature is because I'm surrounded by all its energy. The energy of the water flowing, the energy of the forest, the monsoon mists and evaporating and condensing and raining.
पेसन स्टीवंस, एक कलाकार, एक वैज्ञानिक। पृथ्वी उनकी प्रेरणा है, उनका विषय है, उनकी कला है। प्राकृत चक्रों का वैज्ञानिक प्रतिपादन पेसन की कला का महत्वपूर्ण आयाम है।
This lakri, which is a solid piece of wood, has like flowing energy in it, like beta lakri. And here we can see all the wonderful curvature of motion. And it's repeated in so many different ways. In the water flowing, in the monsoon mists going up and down, and all of the energy of the forest is like a landscape, which is why I think of my work in this idea of energy landscapes, that we are surrounded by energy in the world that we live in, and this treasure of this piece of wood is a wonderful expression of that.
पेसन स्टीवंस साल के 6 महीने अपनी पत्नी लेखिका कमला कपूर के साथ भारत में ही रहते हैं।
ये जो जगह है ये बहुत ही सेक्रेड है, इसको देवभूमि कहते हैं। और ये जब आप यहाँ रहते हैं तो आपको मालूम होता है कि ये कितना इन्फ्लुएंस करती है एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को। इसका सौंदर्य, इसका सॉलिट्यूड, ये जो जंगल बियाबान है यहाँ, ये भी बहुत अपनी आत्मा को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है। और आर्टिस्ट और राइटर्स और पेंटर्स को बहुत सॉलिट्यूड और स्पेस की ज़रूरत होती है।
पेसन काम करते हैं कुल्लू घाटी के एक बेहद दूर दराज इलाके में स्थित अपने स्टूडियो में, और उनकी कला प्रदर्शनियां लगती हैं शहरों में। तो इस तरह इन दोनों जगहों के बीच उनका आना जाना लगा रहता है।
I'm very fond of his moksha painting, that is solution of life, and everybody wants moksha in his life.
You can feel the energy flowing into you.
Yeah.
And that is actually the energy and the feelings with which the artist has painted all these paintings. You know, you can feel them. And that is truly has been named as energy flow.
ये कलाकार 40 साल से भी ज्यादा समय से प्रकृति की शक्तियों से प्रभावित होता रहा है।
One of the things that's really great for me that I enjoy is coming out after a monsoon storm and looking for all the treasures that the storm has brought down from the forest. In many places the wood gets trapped, and this is where I find my treasures. This wood and these patterns in nature, even the smallest pattern, says with more beauty and more power and more force than what I can create. And it's very humbling for me to remember that even as a creative individual, that the force of nature is infinitely more powerful, infinitely more beautiful, infinitely more subtle than anything that most of humanity can do in terms of trying to capture it on an artistic level.